Hi, welcome to TecunTecs. We are easing physics machine learning with AI agents. So let's go to my dashboard. So here you can see everything that is related to a B2B business, like adding new members in my organization and also creating new organization and stuff like that. I can create a new tech experiment, but I'm going to go with this one that I have already created like 2 hours ago. So my goal is to get at something that looks like this, right? Which is a flow around a cylinder as the obstacle that you can see here. So we want to analyze something like that. So ideally, I would just be able to ask for what I want and then get it. That's the magic of this generation of new technologies with AI. So that's what I did here. I asked for what I wanted. Simulate this stuff and with these parameters and output this other stuff. That's what I asked for, right? I can also upload files related to my simulation. We're going to skip that because anything goes here, like geometry files related to the shapes and stuff like that. But we're going to skip that for a moment. I can also analyze here, revise the code, because it comes up with code. I can revise it. But let's focus on the magic, which is being able to skip the code generation. I can revise it, but I can skip that if I want to trust it. So what is experience like? So for example, I can go here and say my query is this. And it's going to take a moment before it starts streaming the UI. This is generative UI for the input parameters. What that means is that I can support any simulation use case because these parameters are not fixed. So behind the scenes, what it does is that it comes up with a strategy for the code base, and based on that strategy, then it starts streaming the parameters that are relevant for the simulation. Right now, these parameters are similar to what I had before because it's the same query, but they don't have to be similar. If I ask for a simulation about quantum mechanics, these parameters are going to be completely different and generated on the fly, which is pretty cool. I can modify them a little bit, as you can see here. So for example, I can modify them a little bit here, right? Modify some of them and whatever. I can do all of that. Then I can run the simulation. So here I have like the state of these 3 parameters, but here I would have the logs. And finally, I would have here the post-processing, as you can see here, with the insights. And ideally, this post-processing would also be very flexible depending on the simulation use case with the help of generative AI. So that's the goal. This is a very collaborative project, meaning that if I log in with another account, so I'm going to log in here with a different account that I have. And so as you can see here, it's the same stuff. And I can see here my other account logged in, which is the goal, the vision, that this is very collaborative and everyone is able to leverage the benefits of being aided by agentic AI. Thank you.